I'm in Great Yarmouth with my son Andrew, and we're going to visit the old penny arcade. Here we go. We go through Christopher's Cafe at Merrivale, right to the end. And here we are. I've got a lot of new machines since I was last here. Well, a lot of new old machines, if you know what I mean. Yeah, new ones to me anyway. Quite a few that I haven't seen before. And a few that were here last time, Grand National. Lots of these you've probably seen before if you've watched my other videos about this arcade. What have we got around here then?
Step up and play, each machine seemed to say, as I walk round and round the penny arcade.
Oh, there's Uncle Sam. Spooky. I don't take any of my own pennies. I always help the arcade out by buying them there. Oh, that's a winner. Just a one, but you got your money back.
Let's go for 4.
Merrymaker. Let's try this one.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, passion tester. Right. Old pennies only. What else would it be? Let's put that in there. Well, I've got to swap hands for this. There we go. So I grip that, and then I let go. So, what am I? Kissable. Actually, I'm all those things, aren't I, really? I'm all those things, obviously. Right, easy push. Played this one before. Come on. Try again.
Try again.
Yes, jackpot, baby. It's absolutely free to walk around the museum. You don't have to spend a penny if you don't want to. Was that a pun? Yeah, you can watch everything, watch other people play. Doesn't cost you anything. But if you want to help the guys out, get some pennies out of these change machines. Okay, what's this one? Royal. I haven't played this one before. Oh, that's a bit clunky sound. Oh, I like that noise. It's very old, this one. Red lines? No. Anything with 3 red lines, yeah. Any 3 red lines, a winner, but that was a loser. What we got here then? Castle Cascade. Oh, there's some dangling over the edge there. Oh, yes. Another profit. Right, let's go for the Wheel of Fortune. Should we go for 6? No, that was 8pence. Try again. 10pence this time. Let's go big. Let's go 12, I think. Right, so it says play now. There we go. Fruit bowl. I always win on fruit bowl. No. I love the mechanics of these. Gonna be a winner? No. Come on. Right, what's this? Penny points. So this is based on the football pools. I've never won on the football pools either, so I bet if I win on this. Definitely not. Straight in the lose. I'll win. It'll probably be I'll lose. Let's flick it. Oh, we get to go again. And that's another loser. Come on, I must win. I always win on the fruit bowl. Tuppence? No. I'm not going to give up. Ah, nearly 8 then.
Just missed it.
Check the dates. Oh, no. One more, come on. Another one. Ugh. Oh, it's a winner. 2. Look at that. Well, I got tuppence back. Right, Wheel of Fortune again. Come on, I need to win on something. Let's go for 4 this time. 10 again. 4 again. Come on. Hey. I actually got something. Manhattan, another one I haven't seen before. There's the payouts. Right in there. No good. Right, can't win on a Manhattan. Can I win on a Britannia? Let's go. No, I can't. Oh, what's this one? Honest Joe. Let's try Honest Joe then. Oh, another shot. Oh, nearly. But it lost. Oh, this is an old one. Aristocrat. Clubmaster. Aristocrat. Ah, God. I retrieved it. Let's have a look at them payouts. Okay, let's see if I can get it in the slot this time. Not a slot, is it? What do you call that? Well, I slowed it down for dramatic effect, but it would have been more dramatic if I'd have won, wouldn't it? Which I didn't. Look at this. As soon as I stop recording, I get an 8, an 8, and a 4 on the trot. Look at that lot. I don't win when I'm recording. Right. Oh, that was a nice little tumble. Got a few there. 6. Yes. Hey, we're winning now. Yeah, over there used to be a gift shop, and they extended the place a couple of years ago. So it's quite big in here now. I could stay in here all day. Oh, it's Charlie. Or is it Adolf? They were both born in the same year, 1889. Now this one is strange. You're supposed to stop it on heads to win, but it's in tails every time. But it's a bit of a hybrid, because it says 1 old penny there. I've got a picture of old penny, heads and tails there. Right at the top there, if I can freeze it, it says 1p, not 1d, 1p. So I think that was an old machine converted to decimal and then converted back again, but they forgot to swap this main panel. Yeah, tails again. Okay, lucky 12. 12 horseshoes. What? I've been swindled, my ball didn't drop. Right, so what's this one? Tip the Skittle then. Tip the Skittle. I haven't seen this one before. Skittles tipped when full. Oh, so you slide your penny down there. Yeah. Where is it? Oh, look at that lot. Oh, nice one. I've come out onto the beach and we'll have a look through some of these, see if there's anything worth keeping. Not a bad day today, really. Quite mild for the time of the year, end of September. This is the end of Wellington Pier. Used to be a lot bigger than it is now, as you can see. Wind farm over there, and that's Britannia Pier in the distance. I'll put the coins down here so we can... Hang on, I'm being watched. Excuse me, can you look the other way, please? Thank you. Right, let's have a look through. Now, Andrew's gone off filming somewhere else. He could have held the camera for me. We've got an 1886 here, so that one I will keep. What else we got? An 1879. Now, that's not bad for an 1879. That's definitely a keeper. Quite nice condition. It's a bit difficult to film like this, so I'll show you what I kept when I get home. I only kept 5. I put the rest back. The 1886 and the 1879. I do think that's in nice condition for an 1879. You've seen those two. I also kept this 1881 with the H mint mark. I'll just hang on to that one. A 1912 with an H mint mark. They are quite common, but I thought I'd hang on to it anyway. And this 1920 I thought was in really nice condition. Quite a lot of detail for 1920. I don't know what that crack is there. I don't know if it's damaged, it could be a lamination error. More studying of that later, I think. But it's a common one, not the ultra rare type C. In previous videos, people have asked me, are you allowed to keep them? Well, if you have a look there, it says buy your old penny tokens here. It doesn't say hire them, so I assume as soon as you buy them, they're yours. If you want to know exactly where the place is, there's England. Go right over on the east coast, Great Yarmouth. And there is Wellington Pier, Wellington Bowl on the end. Merrivale Model Village there, and just to the south of that, Williamson's Old Penny Arcade at Merrivale. So let's just go down there. Go to Wellington Pier. There's Wellington Pier. So you want to go about 100 yards to the south. Down here. A little bit further. Oh, there's the sign. There's the sign we looked at. So all you've got to do is walk down there, do the back, and that's where the arcade is. Under that dome. Just next to Pleasure Beach Gardens. You can't miss it. There we are. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.